Boys and girls, and welcome to Golden Guitar. This is a great song, True Love, from Kanye West featuring XXXTENTACION. Alright, so True Love is mostly about 3 chords. We will add in a 4th chord just for the intro and the outro. Otherwise, same chord progression through the entire song with 1 strumming pattern. Let's go. First, we need to set our capo here on the 1st fret. And with that, we will have these first 3 chords. And that goes pretty much through the entire song. So we'll start with D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Next chord will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have a 4th chord only for the intro and outro, like I said, and that's a G. We'll take that one with a bar chord. So you need to put a bar here on the 3rd fret, all strings. And the rest will be 5th on A, 5th on D, and 4th on G. Okay, so there we have the chords. Let's start with the intro. So you will have only 1 down per chord, and the chord progression will be D minor, E minor, A minor, and then G. This is the part where G comes in. And then you play D minor, E minor, and A minor. Remember, just 1 down per chord, so that will give us D minor, E minor, A minor, and then you wait for a bit, and then G, and next round, D minor, E minor, and then A, and then you wait. And then start kind of the actual song with the strumming, and that will be lasting to the end pretty much. Now, how do we play the rest? We will start with the D minor, that is the 1st chord, and we need to learn the strumming pattern. It's pretty long. It sounds like this. I'm gonna play it for you first and then explain how it's done. So let's go for 1 round with D minor. So that was 1 round, and you're gonna play down, down, up, clap, down. That's the first part. So down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. So that is the first part, down, down, up, clap, down, and then you have a small break after this down, the last down here, and then you're gonna continue with up, down, up, clap, down, up. So up, down, up, clap, down, up. So if we connect these 2 parts, down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, up, clap, down, up. That one round. Okay, so a couple rounds of this will be so the chord progression here will be D minor, E minor, A minor. You're gonna play one round of D minor, one round of E minor, and 2 rounds of A minor. And that is pretty much what's going on in this song. So let's do D minor 1, E minor 1, and A minor 2 for a couple rounds. Alright, so there you have the song, and we will finish this song with an outro, and that will be played in the same way as you played the intro, which means one down with the following chords: D minor, E minor, A minor, short break there, and then G as a bridge chord, and then D minor, E minor, and A minor. That is how True Love ends by Kanye West and XXXTENTACION. So yeah, I hope that helped. A cool song to know, and I hope to see you here on Going Guitar very, very soon. So thank you for watching, and play tuned.